Guys, first of all, we have a fidget cube and a fidget spinner. Let's start with a fidget spinner. It's kind of hard because I am holding a one kind of thing like a spinner. This is so dumb to make money. Like a white knock. Oh shit, I hate this thing. I can't, this is a medic trainer, but this is so good. Wait.
Gusto mo ka magandang fidget spinner?
Yan. Yan.
Binasag ni Ine. Palibas, tinagtignan ko yung tempered glass.
Basag mo ang cellphone. Okay, there we go.
Yan, pwede yung pala tornilyo lang eh.
Bearing.
Yung parang yung fidget spinner, yung mga binibili mo nung sword.
Yeah, I know that. It's a weapon. I lost it.
Isa nga, mga sword na yan.
Ano yan? Hindi ka may ganang mga
Meron dito. I have a
Oo,
here.
yun o, LED lights na lamang bumili siya tornilyo.
LED lights, so I hate LED lights. Next thing,
Oh, Lego, pwede din yung Lego.
fidget. This is a fidget cube. So, what's that? Oh, little switch. Something. Lalagyan na. That's fidget. There we go. That's the review of the fidget toys in Philippines. Goodbye.